listen, I admit it's working.
Hey guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If today is your first time of seeing me or coming through this channel, hi, my name is Kemi and it's so nice of you to click on this video. I need you to sit back, relax and enjoy yourself. My subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always watching my video. Thank you for your comments, your questions. I really enjoy when my comment section is busy. It gives me so much joy to reply all your comments. The lovely dress next to me is one of my collection that I sell on my other Instagram page. I'm gonna put the Instagram handle so that you can check it out and see the other designs that we have. Let's drive straight to this video. I'm making videos on face cream, very good face creams that will moisturize your face, hydrate your face, treat your face, but not a whitening face creams. So this is the third one that I'm sharing with you now. This one is called Kojic Acid Tender Whitening Freckle Face Cream. I'm going to surely make sure that I insert the picture so that you can see, or use it as my thumbnail so that you can go check it out if this is something that you may be interested in. So this is called the Kojic Acid. It's Dimollaure Kojic Acid Tender Whitening Freckle Cream. It's a natural skincare and it is 30 grams in it. It's not too big. This is the bottle, not the biggest, and yeah, it has that cover, and it's okay. It has a nice smell. It's white inside. This face cream is another good natural treatment, replenishing, moisturizing face cream. This face cream is some of the ingredients in this face cream are kojic acid, arbutin, vitamin C, ginseng, then glycerin, niacinamide, vitamin E, aloe vera, coenzyme 10, vitamin B. Those are amazing products, like amazing ingredients that you want on your skin, because these are skin food that will bless your face. So this face cream is amazing. I really love this face cream. I would suggest that the reason that, you know, when you have kojic acid, you know that kojic acid oxidizes quickly, and I believe that's the reason why this face cream is in a dark container, so that you can make to preserve it for it to last longer. And that's the reason why they use a lot of other antioxidants to help stabilize the kojic acid that is in there. So if you're using this face cream, don't put it close to the sun. Make sure you always put it in this, if you can always put it in a box until you finish it, it will be okay. And also don't just buy it and leave it. Make sure you use it quickly because of the kojic acid inside. This face cream is lovely. Personally, I haven't used this face cream, but I have people that have used it and I can see it on their face. The effect is out of this world. So let me tell you the effect of this face cream. It strongly inhibits skin melanin, effectively removal of freckles, sunspots, age spots, melasma, brown spots, pigmentation, acne scars, and so on. The whitening skin repair UV damage to the skin. It whitens the skin and also repair the skin from UV damage. It also lightens melanin spots and it promotes collagen. It reduces wrinkles. It's anti-aging. It restores damaged skin. It makes your skin firm and elastic, smooth and bright. This face cream is good for all skin type, but sensitive skin must do skin allergy tests before use. So if your skin, if you notice any discomfort, please discontinue use. But if your skin can tolerate this beauty, you will love it. It is an amazing face cream that helps to brighten your face. It's really brightening your face. I've read the ingredient. You can see from the ingredient that this is going to be a skin brightener, not necessarily a whitening face cream, but it will help you to fade spots, and that's what we need. So if you have acne prone skin, after the breakouts have settled, you need something like this to help you now lighten your face back. So you need to get this face cream. Anybody can use this face cream. Dark skin can use this face cream. Caramel skin can use this cream. White people can use this face cream. It is amazing and it delivers. This face cream also has its own serum from the same company. It's called Kojic acid serum. So I'm sorry I can't open this. As you can see, it is sealed, so I can't open it, but I'm going to tell you exactly what it does. It's whitening, it's anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, it dilutes melanin, and it's for all skin types. The serum is very small, it's only 10 ml, and the face cream on its own is 30 grams. But you know when something is small but mighty, small but mighty, this face cream is amazing. It's just the same thing as the face cream. Sorry, the serum works exactly like the face cream. The effect is it whitens the skin, it repairs your skin from the UV damage, it lightens melanin, it promotes collagen, it reduces wrinkles. Just exactly what I read for the face cream is exactly what this serum also do. So when you combine them together, you will be so happy with the result. So it contains almost the same ingredients as well. And another thing I like about this serum is it contains propylene glycol, which is an humectant and also a penetration enhancer. That means it will help you to penetrate deep into your skin. And it contains aloe vera extract. It has kojic acid. It also contains hyaluronic acid. This face cream is this face serum is very effective and it works. It is small, but it is mighty. So how do you use this? After you have cleansed your face and you have used your toner to balance the pH of your face, then you go in with this serum and you follow up with this beauty face cream. And believe me, your skin will glow and shine. Now, this face cream is going to lighten your face, but it's not a whitening face cream. Or already, if you're already light skin, it might just give you like a shade, but this together, so combining these two will give you an amazing, beautiful result, and your skin will look amazingly flawless. So this is it, guys. If you have watched this video till now and you have not been moved to subscribe, what else can I do to make you subscribe? I need you to go and click on that subscription button and also on the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. And to my subscribers, thank you guys. Till next time, stay blessed.
Smiling while you're cursing, I admit it's working.